In today's video we're going to talk about writing a catchy hook and how to engage your audience for longer and how to appeal to a wider audience. The more people your hook relates to, the more people it's going to resonate with, which means the more people are going to stick listening to your song. This is incredibly important, especially when talking about Spotify, because Spotify you need at least 30 seconds of streaming in your song for it to count as a stream. Before the next tip, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe, it helps me out a ton. Also, if you could share and copy link, that would really help me out as well. Surprise the listener. A great example of this is Stay by Kid Laroi and Justin Bieber, written by Charlie Puth. I knew the same. That jump there is not expected, which means that we all love listening to it. I'm listening to it over and over and over and over, and it's one of the most streamed songs in the last 10 years. Keep your hook simple and easy to sing along to. Complex hooks will easily be forgotten and won't be as well received by your listener. Play around with the rhythm of your hook. Every word you sing doesn't have to be on the quarter note and it doesn't have to be on the half beat. You can play around and do like thirds if you want, a bit like Shape of You. It has dum ba dum ba dum. That's on the third. This can help hooks stick in people's minds, and the more memorable a hook is, the more people are going to listen to it. Consider keeping your hook short. Dum 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 is a perfectly good hook. I sing songs all the time, now but now, da da da. This is great because it means your listener doesn't have as much to remember to the hook. Focus on repetition. Having a simple hook repeated over and over is bound to stick in somebody's mind, especially if it fits with the mood of the song. Which very nicely leads me on to step number 3, which is write a hook that fits with the genre. You don't want to be writing a crazy jazz melody over a really nice, simple love pop song. When using a simple hook, consider changing the chords underneath. So if you've got a simple 4-chord progression, make changes within that chord progression so that it makes the hook sound a bit different, and you can really add emotional layers to your music that way as well, but that's a topic for a different day. Use strong imagery. See if you can put emotions and feelings into words and link it back in with the topic of the song. Loads more people will pick up on this, and this will help the hook stick in people's minds. Once you've written a hook that you think might be good, send it to your friends, ask them what they think. Maybe they can give you some really good feedback. Maybe they don't know anything at all about songwriting and will just give you a layman's perspective. Finally, don't force writing a hook. It'll come. Sometimes hooks take days to write, sometimes they take minutes. It all depends on how creative you're feeling at the time and sort of what mood you're in. With that being said, thank you very much for watching today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, share with your friends. Leave me a comment down below, let me know how you got on with this video. Things you like, things you don't like. I need to make these videos better, so any criticism is welcome. But I will see you next Saturday at 8 AM. Goodbye! Whew.